50 practical sentences using may to improve English communication. 1. You may leave early today. 2. She may come to the party later. 3. I may call you after work. 4. We may visit the beach this weekend. 5. They may not agree with our decision. 6. It may rain in the evening. 7. He may borrow my car for the trip. 8. You may need to wait for a few minutes. 9. She may join us for dinner. 10. This book may help you understand the topic better. 11. I may need your assistance tomorrow. 12. The train may arrive late today. 13. We may have a meeting in the afternoon. 14. He may not be at home right now. 15. You may want to double-check your work. 16. She may win the competition. 17. They may bring their kids to the event. 18. It may take longer than expected. 19. I may go shopping after lunch. 20. You may feel tired after the long trip. 21. We may need more time to finish the project. 22. He may visit his grandparents this weekend. 23. She may not understand your explanation. 24. You may contact me if you have any questions. 25. This recipe may take some time to prepare. 26. The weather may improve by tomorrow. 27. He may not agree to the proposal. 28. You may find this course interesting. 29. They may cancel the event due to rain. 30. I may attend the concert if I finish my work. 31. She may need extra support for the task. 32. We may stay at a nearby hotel. 33. The kids may want to play outside. 34. You may feel nervous before the exam. 35. He may leave early if he finishes his tasks. 36. She may bring snacks to the meeting. 37. The results may surprise everyone. 38. I may not be able to join you for dinner. 39. This app may solve your problem. 40. You may want to try a different approach. 41. They may ask for more details during the interview. 42. He may move to another city for his job. 43. The road may be blocked due to construction. 44. You may notice a difference in a few days. 45. She may arrive later than expected. 46. The package may be delivered tomorrow. 47. I may invite my friends over this evening. 48. You may not recognize him after all these years. 49. They may not participate in the tournament. 50. This decision may affect the entire team. These sentences highlight how may is used for expressing possibility, permission, or polite suggestions.